Went the wrong way.
We're not very good at this video and stuff.
We're not very good at this video, Malarkey.
Yeah.
Mount Rushmore.
You didn't really want to come here, did you?
Well, I thought it might be a bit of a tourist trap, but we haven't.
Well, I think it is a tourist trap. I think that's the thing. I think it is a real tourist trap. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. There are loads of RVs here already. Loads of people. And we've been told it's a real tourist trap, but we're here and, you know, a few miles away. You've got to come and get your picture, so we're going to go and take a picture.
That's what we're going to do. Get a picture in front of Mount Rushmore and the 4 presidents.
$10 to come in to this park, and you can come in and out as many times as you want. It's an annual pass, so why not?
That was on Borgland.
And all the workers.
These are all the workers that worked on that.
Wow.
Pretty cool.
1927 to 1941.
Yeah, these are all the people that helped do it.
Presidential Trail, that's where we're going. Ooh, look at all the flags. I don't know if we're going to see anything, it's so foggy.
Here we go, the big reveal.
Big reveal. And this is it.
Oh dear,
that was worth $10.
Come back tomorrow. So what we thought we'd do is do the Presidential Trail, which is a small hike, 0.6 of a mile. And when we come back, all the fog will be gone. Do you think?
I hope we get one picture.
We might get one picture.
A guy said it was clear for like about a minute, an hour ago. So maybe it'll clear up again.
But fingers crossed that at some point we'll get to see.
And you can see from our attire, it's pretty chilly.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not warm.
But we're at what?
5,000 feet.
5,000
we are
feet.
5,000 feet up, yeah. Yep.
You see him?
Yeah.
Just coming out of the fog.
It's there. There he is.
Hey!
George Washington.
Oh, that's Lincoln.
No, that's George Washington's one here.
Where?
There.
Oh, I can't see Washington. Okay, it's too foggy. I think we've decided to go and find a walk, right?
And hopefully when we come back it'll be clear.
Yeah, let's see. This is take 3.
Oh, it's take 3, yeah.
You managing it? Look, oh, there he is. Who are you? Thomason, Jefferson, Lincoln.
We managed to find it. Come back and the fog cleared. So I'm glad we went for a walk.
Can't stop, won't stop, baby, on the highway high. Riding down a long road, we don't know where it goes. My hand's on your knee, while your hair's in the breeze. We're running from our ghosts, chasing after rainbows. We got big dreams for a small town.
That's good, we haven't got any.
Around here somewhere, this thing, right?
It's around here somewhere, it might be here. This is it here.
Oh, I think this is it here.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Where are we? See, these guys are taking a picture.
Yeah, they have.
We're at Wyoming!
There he is.
Woo!
How many states is that? How many states?
13!
13! Unlucky, but not for Wyoming. We're here, and I think it's called the Equality. Is it?
The Equality State.
The Equality State, yes. Let's see how we get on in Wyoming.
Hands on the road, putting my faith in what I don't know.
Well, here we are in Golden Eye Reservoir.
We're not in it. We're beside it.
We're not actually in. We're not in the reservoir. No, we haven't drunk that much wine. Oh, it's windy. That might be cool. Forgive you for that. But this is the kind of park up we like. There's a little picnic bench. Oh.
It's windy.
It's very breezy, but it's okay. We can hear us. And there's Walter. Walter's parked there. We've got some potato salad, which Eileen is just covering. We've got some chicken on the barbie, which is over there by the front of Walter. And
some chopped salad.
Yeah, chopped salad.
We love the chopped salad in America.
And we're just kind of it's just not a bad spot. You couldn't really. It's not too shabby. And I think we're going to spend at least a day here, maybe two. We've got some steaks to cook for tomorrow, so we'll have that tomorrow.
Got some Wyoming beef.
Oh, Wyoming beef!
That we got from the man that owns the laundromat where we did our laundry.
We did our laundry a couple of days ago at the laundromat in Newcastle, and he got chatting to us. He was such a nice fella, and he let us have some of his beef, which is quite good.
Yeah.
But this is what travelling's all about. Us, we make our own luck, and we make our own friends, and we just meet Tiffany. Tiffany was lovely, and we had a nice chat with her. And she'd been to Orkney. The second American that we've talked to randomly who knows Orkney, knew the history. Incredible. Love that.
Plumbers or something. Yeah, she comes here because it's a real. There's pelicans. Sorry, there's pelicans. American white pelicans on this reservoir.
Yeah. No, that was a good park up. Goldeneye Reservoir.
It's very quiet, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's nice. So, let's go west. We're still going west.
Heading west.
Let's see if we can stumble on another great park up.
Right, let's go and see a half acre of hell.
It's called what?
Hells Half Acre.
Hells Half Acre.
But it looks bigger than a half acre to me.
So we didn't break in because there is a hole in the fence there like that. We haven't done that. There's Walter in the distance down there. That's our park for night. And this is it called what, Lover?
Hells Half Acre.
Hells Half Acre. Do you think that's more than an acre?
It's more than an acre to me. This area was used as a film set. That's the word, set.
Yeah, okay.
It was used as a film set for Starship Trooper.
Starship Trooper. That's not easy to say, is it? Yeah, Starship Trooper.
That can't be right, it's too difficult to say. But it's been used as a film set for Hell and for Alien Planets. But back in the day, the indigenous people, the Indians, used to chase the buffalo off the edges into the gorge because they found flint arrowheads and buffalo bones in the bottom.
Oh wow.
But it's quite amazing, isn't it?
Well, yeah, it's quite out of this worldly, isn't it?
Look at this.
You can pan round. Actually, I'll just change the.
Wow, look at this. This is cool.
Every time I look around, I know it's Hell's Half Acre. I see a place that's so unkind. I see a world full of danger. My friends tell me that I should leave, but I'm a natural born troublemaker. I wanna live in a different way. I wanna go to Hell's Half Acre. The sun will never shine on Hell's Half Acre. There ain't no light on Hell's Half Acre. I won't stop till I'm there. I won't stop till I'm there. I know that there's a
We've got this little cooker, this little gas stove, which we use normally when we're cooking fish. We don't cook fish in the van, and it stinks, obviously. And it's just too hot to cook the steaks in the van tonight, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we just thought we'd use our little cooker outside, which is nice.
I could put a lot on this.
Oh yeah.
My dad gave me this. It's really old, I think. And we bought a canister in Walmart, and it's because obviously we couldn't bring that with us.
Come on.
Nobody tell me that I'm doing it wrong.
The sun will never shine.
On if by magic, steak salad,
You got bread?
apple and carrot salad, a nice bit of bread.
Just out the oven.
This is fantastic.
nice
It's
and
nice.
warm.
It's nice warm bread, lover.
Lovely, yeah.
It's really good. And there's one more steak just in case we get any guests come. But sadly, if no guests come, I might have to swallow that. And yeah, this is what it's all about.
Road stretched long through the sun-kissed days. Fire on the horizon.
Good morning. We had such a great sleep last night. So peaceful. And the thing was that we didn't think we were going to see a beach until we got through Canada and away over to the other side in Washington State and Oregon. But here we are in the middle of Wyoming. And wait for it. We're at the beach. It's brilliant. I'll turn it round. Hold on. We're in Wyoming, as I said, at the Wind River, on the Wind River Reservation. And this is a free camping area. There's Walter up there on the hill. And this is just absolutely beautiful. There was people in here swimming yesterday. I'm hoping that you can pick up the mountains in the distance with the snow on.
It's really rare for us to actually have our awning out because we wild camp so much. And when you wild camp, you can't really just look as though you're camping. But because this is like a campground, you're allowed to stay for, I think you're allowed to stay for 14 days if you want to. But we won't be staying 14 days, but we've actually got the Mexican mat out. We'll do a bit of yoga in a minute, maybe on there. It's dead early in the morning. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and the sun is actually roasting. So we better be in some shade at some point today.
Passing pines and misty mountains.
Definitely going to go in here in the Crowheart store. Look how cool that is. Is it $3.59 for diesel? Low clearance, cars only. It's a very old fashioned one.
Yeah, diesel's only.
See if they've got, shall we see if they've got water as well?
Yeah, could ask him signs.
I'll go and have a look in the
go on
store.
then. That'd be great. What's it in there?
God, the scenery is really changing as we head further west, isn't it?
Yeah, it's getting more mountainous and higher, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whoa! Look at those mountains, snow on top.
Snow on the mountains. The scenery's getting really nice, isn't it? It's lovely here.
Now we're going over a pass in a minute, aren't we?
The Togawati Pass, which is 9,500 feet. Do you think Walter's going to make it?
I think he'll get there very slowly. I think he'll make it.
Okay, let's see. Well, everybody, I think we're going to leave you there this week, and hopefully we'll be in Grand Teton on our next video. Everything going well, so make sure you join us then.
But for now, thanks for watching.
Bye, everyone.